Locked out of your Cash App and seeing that dreaded "we couldn't verify this account belongs to you" message? Don't panic, because I'm about to show you exactly how to get this fixed in just a few easy steps. First, double-check all the personal information you've entered in Cash App. This includes your full legal name, date of birth, and social security number. If you provided it, make sure everything exactly matches the information on your government-issued ID, as any discrepancies can trigger the error. To check this, tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the Cash App. Then hit Personal. Review everything listed there very carefully. If your information is accurate and you're still locked out, your next best bet is reaching out directly to Cash App support. They have agents ready to verify your identity and unlock your account. You can contact them either by phone or email. The phone number and support email can usually be found on the Cash App website or within the app's help section. Be prepared to provide them with additional documentation to prove your identity, like a copy of your driver's license or passport. They may ask you to take a photo of your ID and a selfie to match. Once you've provided the necessary information and they've verified your identity, your account should be unlocked. Remember to keep your Cash App updated to the latest version for optimal performance. And that is how you fix the error.